Okay, so far we have taken this piece off by taking the ashtray open, pulling this piece up, working it around the trim piece here. I was able to get this piece loose. And then we were able to take this shifter boot off the trim piece here, turn it sideways, run it through the actual dash itself, and this piece becomes loose. And then we were able to get this into drive, so it kind of gives a little more space. And then the ashtray was right here, which was right in here. And what happens is these two clips here and here, which sat in these two holes here and here, you have to pull them towards you to unclip it, and then it simply will come out. And we only have one harness, which will be right here. And quick note, it actually doesn't come straight out of the back. It actually comes out to the right of the ashtray. For example, this right here is the clip. This is the clip that was in it, and you can see it comes off to the right of the ashtray versus out the back of now. And now we have access to these two screws, and we're about halfway to getting to the head unit.